Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all okay. Today's lesson is called the articles. Before I start, we have to know what's the definition of the word articles. Actually, an article is a word used to modify a noun, which is a person, a place, or an object. Generally, articles are used to refer to nouns. Now, there are two kinds of articles, something called indefinite articles and definite article. Okay, indefinite articles are a and an. The definite article is the word the. Now we have to know how to use the articles. First, we use a before a singular noun that starts with a consonant. For example, a book or a chair. We use an before a singular noun that starts with a vowel. For example, an ant or an apple. Okay, now if we have an adjective and after it we have a noun, we put a before that adjective. For example, a tall girl or a short boy, a beautiful girl, an expensive car. So we put a or an before the adjective that's followed by a noun. Now let's see the definite article the. When shall we put the? Actually, we put the before unique things. Unique things means the only thing in the word. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. We only have one sun, one moon, one earth, one sky. That's why we said the before, because they are unique things. Also, we put the before names of deserts, like the Sahara Desert. Also, all the musical instruments, like the guitar, the piano, the drums, the violin, they all take the because they are musical instruments. Also, with names of oceans, seas, and rivers, we put the. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Red Sea, the Nile River. We also put the with mountain ranges. That means group of mountains have the same name. They all of them have one name. For example, the Himalayas. We also use the with these words: the morning, the evening, the afternoon. We put also the before these countries, the USA and the UK. Also, we put the before the word TV. I say I watch the TV every night. Now take care of this. We put a or an when we talk about the general thing mentioned for the first time. But we use the when we talk about specific thing that is mentioned before. There's something called zero article. That means there are some nouns don't take a, an, or the before them. We have to memorize them very well. First thing you have to know is names. Names don't take a, an, or the before them. We say I love safe. We don't say I love a safe or I love an safe or I love the safe. I say I love safe. Or I play with Ahmed. We don't say I play with the Ahmed. I play with a Ahmed or I play with an Ahmed. So before names, we don't put an article. Also, names of countries, cities, or nationalities, they don't take that before them. We say, I live in Paris. We don't say, I live in a Paris or in an Paris or in the Paris. I live in Egypt. Not I live in an Egypt or I live in the Egypt or I live in a Egypt. I say I am Egyptian, not I am the Egyptian, I am an Egyptian, I am a Egyptian. Also with meals like dinner, lunch, and breakfast, we don't put an article before them. We say dinner is ready, lunch is ready, breakfast is ready. We don't say the dinner or a dinner or an dinner is ready. Okay, also sports don't take any article before them. We say I play volleyball, not a volleyball or an volleyball or the volleyball. Also languages don't take the or a or an before them. We say I speak French. We don't say I speak the French, I speak a French, I speak an French. Also the word television. We don't put any article before it. I say I usually watch television at night. Not I watch a television or I watch an television or I watch the television at night. Now let's answer some questions. The first exercise is to put the article. Put the article means we want to put a, an, or the, or zero article. That means we have to put cross. Cross means zero article. Okay, the first one. I live in USA. Here, USA is the name of a country. We said that all countries take no article except the USA and the UK. So the answer for the first one is I live in the USA. Number 2, my uncle has a book in his bag. Here, let's see, book. I'm not talking about a specific book. So we have to put a or an or the or no article. Here you have singular noun and I'm not talking about a specific book. So the answer is my uncle has a book in his bag. In number 3, I usually have lunch at 3 o'clock. Here, lunch is a meal. So we don't put an article before meals. The answer is I usually have lunch at 3 o'clock. In number 4, moon is full today. Here, the word moon is unique because we only have one moon. For unique things, we say the. So the answer is the moon is full today. In number 5, there is a bed in the living room. Here, I'm not talking about a specific bed, and I have a singular noun. So the answer is there is a bed in the living room. Okay, now choose. Bob watches the TV in a no article and the living room. Here I'm talking about Bob's living room, not any other living room. So it's a specific thing, so I have to use the. So the answer here, Bob watches the TV in the living room. In number 2, my dad has an no article, the American friend. Here I have an adjective followed by a noun, and the adjective here starts with a vowel. So I say, my dad has an American friend. In number 3, he usually plays an no article, the football at night. As I said, all kind of sports take no article. So the answer here, he usually plays football at night without an article. In number 4, there is an no article, the flower in the garden. Here it's a singular noun. I'm not talking about a specific flower. So I have to say there is a flower in the garden. Number 5, the an or no article. Amazon River is not in Egypt. Here, as I told you, seas, rivers, oceans take the before them. So the answer here is the Amazon River is not in Egypt. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. See you soon and goodbye.